Hey, over here with me, over here with me, over here.
Go with Mill. I got a lot for him. Never mind. Where Mill at? Oh yeah, Mill. I see you. I'm about to block out. I'm about to block it off.
So
She came back
out.
I'm chasing him.
Oh yeah, Mill.
Fall. I can't hit no more.
It's okay. Yeah, put that chainsaw up. You do not know how to use it.
Go, V.
Oh, never mind.
Slow, cut off.
Don't need to.
Don't need to.
Yeah.
Don't need to.
Yeah.
Don't need to.
Hold on, it's one right here.
My chainsaw stone.
Oh my. Yo.
Crank it up, bro. There you go. Where they at? They escaped.